Think how many times you've ordered a burrito. We're gonna make burritos. Really, it's very simple. I bought this. I didn't make this, okay? And I'm gonna fill it with some rice, beans, cheese, and avocado. And a little bit of vinegar, which might sound weird, but it's not. Pepper, and I forgot to buy salsa fixing, so we're not using salsa, but you can always add salsa in there, or you can give it to them on the side. So let's make a burrito. First thing I have is 3 cheeses kind of shredded up here. I think it's cheddar, Colby, and Monterey Jack. You can buy this pre-made, or you can spend 20 minutes doing it. This is quick. We're talking about a quick fix, okay? These are Amy's refried beans that are actually really good. Refried beans are super duper cooked beans, mushed. You can make this in a food processor. It takes about 3 to 7 minutes. Or you could buy a can. We're talking quick meal here. You don't know what to do, let's make a burrito. Instead of ordering Chipotle, let's make a burrito. Okay, I'm just gonna take some very nice slices of avocado. La 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 la, avocado. Wanna hear something crazy? I've never made a burrito before. Let's check it out. Put some rice down. Now after we make this, you can just wrap it and eat it if you want, or you can slightly heat it in a dry pan, or you can throw it in the oven, wrapped in tin foil if you want, just to melt the cheese, you know? This might be too much rice. So I'm gonna do this in very intelligent layering. Now, you might think I'm nuts, but I'm gonna do something a little bit crazy, which is I'm gonna put a teeny little bit of vinegar on this to make it sprightly, sprightly. Okay, a little bit of refried beans, bloop, bloop. I don't like sour cream. Some people, I mean, I love sour cream, but I don't like it in a burrito. Okay, I'm gonna put another couple pieces of this. Here's a little Aleppo pepper. Now, just because I'm a dinner partier, I'm gonna do this kind of like on instinct. So I think what I'm gonna do is go like this, fold the sides in, and then finish the roll. Because I've seen them do this at, I didn't do it right. How do you do it? There, now it looks nice. It's a little misshapen. I mean, who's gonna say no to that? Don't say no to my burrito. Don't say no to my burrito. You can heat it in a pan. Yes, you can. You can eat it cold, or you can eat them sold at Chipotle. That's a pretty good rhyme. I'm just gonna heat this a little bit. You know when they close the thing at Chipotle? That's kind of what we're doing. Getting a little steel pan look on it. Burrito. Don't say no. It's just a burrito. It can't hurt you. Don't leave it out in the cold. Burrito. You can heat it in a pan, yes you can. You can eat it cold, or you can eat them sold at Chipotle. That's a pretty good rhyme.